Welcome to Honey Bunch.
Hi kids. Let's have a little quiz time. What's the animal name? Elephant. Tiger. Lion. The right answer is elephant. What's the animal name? Horse. Giraffe. Deer. The right answer is giraffe. What's the animal name? Giraffe. Lion. Tiger. The right answer is lion. What's the animal name? Monkey. Fox. Sloth. The right answer is monkey. What's the animal name? Lizard. Iguana. Dinosaur. The right answer is iguana. What's the animal name? Lizard. Iguana. Snake. The correct answer is snake. What's the animal name? Bear. Rat. Deer. The right answer is deer. What's the animal name? Lion. Tiger. Deer. The right answer is tiger. What's the animal name? Rabbit. Koala. Rat. The right answer is koala. What's the animal name? Bear. Buffalo. Tiger. The right answer is bear. What's the animal name? Bear. Fox. Lion. The right answer is fox. What's the animal name? Bear. Deer. Panda. right answer is panda. Great learning, kids. Good job. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.